When visitors land on a page that does not exist, your site displays a 404 error page. Now, instead of leaving them at a dead end, you can turn that moment into a helpful experience by creating a custom 404 page. A 404 page appears when someone tries to reach a missing or incorrect URL, perhaps because of a mistyped address, a changed permalink, or a page that has been moved or deleted without a redirect. WordPress.com provides a default version of this page, depending on your theme, of course. But customizing it allows you to reflect your brand and guide visitors where they actually want to go. That's why it's worth making your 404 page stand out. Give it a unique look, add personality, or even include a touch of humor to make visitors smile. To get started, go to your dashboard and navigate to Appearance and click Editor. This will open up the Site Editor. Make your way to Templates, scroll down, and select the 404 template from the list. I'm using the 2025 theme, and this is their default 404 page. When designing your 404 page, include a few key elements to make it effective. A link back to your homepage, a search box to help users find what they need, and your site's navigation menu. These small touches make it easy for visitors to continue exploring rather than leaving your site altogether. You can delete the default design and start from scratch or add a pattern, but I'm going to modify it to meet my needs. First, I'm going to replace the image with one that I've already uploaded to my media library and which I created using an AI image generator. Then I'm going to resize the image, and in the block toolbar, I will change the alignment to center. Next, I'm also going to change the text "Page not found" to "Are you a little lost?" And below that, I will replace the first line and write "This page went on vacation, no postcards yet." I would also like to select the search block and use the magnifying glass icon instead. Lastly, I want to add a call to action to send visitors back to my home page. So I will type /buttons and insert the block. Write return home, and then remember to add the URL of your homepage here, and then submit. Finally, I also want to change the style of my call to action to outline. And when you are done, you can go ahead and save your changes. If you would like to see what your 404 page looks like to visitors, you can easily test it out yourself. Go to your site's address in the browser, add a / and then type a few random characters, something that doesn't exist on your site. Press enter and then you will land on your 404 page, exactly as your visitors would see. Here are a few extra tips to take your design further. Use friendly conversational language and keep the look and feel consistent with the rest of your site, so users know they're still in the right place. Offer helpful next steps, such as a search bar or featured content links. To help visitors avoid landing on your 404 page in the first place, it's worth checking all your links whenever you make an update to your site. Ensure that all external and internal links on your site point to valid and existing pages. If you ever need to delete a page, use a plugin such as 301 Redirects to make sure visitors are guided to a proper destination instead. It also helps to use a link checker or preview your site occasionally to catch any broken links early. And that's it. You've now created a custom 404 page that fits your brand and keeps visitors engaged even when things go off track.